So you are done generating your image and video using some of the free AI tools that we have online currently. And you notice that there is a big watermark on each side of that particular image or video. Well, I have a fix for you. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove those watermarks from the video. So you want to stay from the beginning to the end of this video and also follow the practical steps that I'm going to explain to you or show to you in this video. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come to shortcut.org and you locate this download button. You click on it and it's going to load up based on the type of system you are using. So for this, I'm using Mac and I'm going to be downloading this particular one. So I click on that, and next to that you scroll down to install, and automatically it's going to start downloading, and you wait for it to finish downloading so that you can install. Now that we've downloaded and installed the application, the next thing you want to do is you want to change your project folder rename and then your video mode. So you start with your project folder. That means you want to change where you want it to download on when you are done editing. Click on open, then you name this. So you name it anything. Then your video mode. So personally, I always go for this because it also maintains my video features and graphic. So you click on start. Then next on that is you want to open a file to bring in some of the video you want to remove the background. So you click on open file and you locate the particular videos you want to use. If you have more than one, or you have up to 20 or 30, you can select them so that you can do everything at once. And then you click on open and you wait for them to load up here. Exactly. So these are all the videos. So what you do is you select all, or you select them one by one, click and drag to this timeline, to down here. Then you also do the same for the next video and the next video. So once you have arranged them like this, the first thing you want to do, the next thing you want to do is you want to select the first video, the first clip. You select the first clip and you come to filters. Then you click on this plus sign and search for spot remover. Spot remover, exactly. So this particular one, so you can favorite it and click on that, and automatically it's going to be added to your video like this. Then all you have to do is just click and drag your video to see the exact point that the watermark started showing. I think it's not here on the first video, so let's remove this one and adjust this clip same also as this one. So you select your first video, come back here, don't forget spot remover. You click on that and you now drag this guy down to the exact point you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove this area. I'm going to adjust like that and increase the size. Then you also scroll back to see if you scroll around to see if there are other more watermarks. Then you play your video. See that? You see that? And I think this is a picture. Same, also click on here and the second clip, come back here. You can look for some in your favorites or search for spot remover and you click this and you drag it here. So it's not showing this because you've not selected to this area. So you click this and drag to this point and you enlarge like this, so you make it fit in, and voila, we are done. So you scroll around to see if there are other watermark. Exactly, so something like this, there's a watermark here. So for this, what you're going to do is you are going to also going to add another filter, which is spots remover, and you click on that and here's it here. So you adjust that to this level and you hold like that. Make sure it's adjusted very well so that there isn't going to be any issue later. So once you're done, you click out on it and you click on play. So this side is still kind of showing. You adjust like this. And we are done. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to play the video all over. So somewhere around here, when you are finalizing your video, you can put your channel name as a watermark. You understand? You can put your channel name as a watermark. And this is also applicable to pictures. So this is very, very possible for you to actually make. Download a video from a watermark either video or picture, and still make use of it. So once you're done, the next thing you do is you click on save. I want to believe you've learned something significant from this video. In case you want more like this, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and because I am going to be sharing a lot of information that is going to help you elevate from where you are currently to where you ought to be, which is monetizing your channel. So on that note, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.